Hello students, hope you are good. Okay, today our lesson is class 1, subject maths, topic shapes. These are the shapes and their names. Today we are going to learn about the shapes and their names. This is a shape of circle. This is a shape of circle. It has no sides and no corners. It has no sides and no corners. Circle. And the next, square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. These are the corners and these are the sides of squares. Then rectangle. This is a shape of rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. These are short sides and these are long sides. And these are corners. This is a shape of rectangle. This is an oval shape. An oval shape has no sides, no corners. And then triangle. This is a shape of triangle. It has 3 sides, equal sides and 3 corners. These are the sides and these are corners. Okay class, this is your activity number 1. Learn the following shapes, name and do in your homework copies. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square and oval. This is your home activity. Tick the shapes in each row that are the same. Then color these shapes. This is on page 4. Okay students, I hope you understand the lesson and enjoy this video lesson. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.